I'm going to show you how to use a little tool to go from this to this. So I'm going to show you how to use this little Drain Weasel to get your drain unclogged. So if you run into a problem that you can't fix with your WD-40 or your duct tape, then you may want to start considering this. I hate to use these because they're such harsh chemicals. If you do use them, use great caution. And if you've already put some in your drain, be very careful doing something else that you might splash it. So you need to wear gloves and safety glasses, safety goggles really to protect your eyes. So there are a couple other kinds of snakes that you can use in plumbing. There's a specific one for pipes, and there's one that goes in your toilet specifically. I have one behind me. I won't show it to you. But this little snake will fit in most of your drains without any real effort. You don't have to take it apart, and it will just slide down in there, as I'm going to show you in the rest of this video how to use it and how it can be effective. So the Drain Weasel will fit in most drains without actually taking the stopper out. In this case, the stopper is a push stopper, and I will take it out before I'm done, but just to fit it in easier. But sometimes it's easier to fit this in for a quick job. But this was not a quick job, and I put it in, and then it will turn here with its handle. It's made to be a sort of snake, but it will fit inside the drain of a smaller sink so that you can get little clogs out and not have to use Drano, and definitely not have to call the plumber, because I saw a recent billboard that said the plumber would come and undo a clogged sink for $99, and that's supposed to be a good deal. So this little gadget will cost you a lot less than that to have on hand, and you can unstop your sink anytime you need to. So not a guarantee, but this will get out a lot of the clogs that we've seen. It has the grip on it, will pull hair out of the drain quite easily, and its motion here going back and forth and then sometimes jamming it down the sink more will undo the clog. Here you see I did take the stopper out and then put it back in. So the push kind will unscrew. This is a very simple one. Sometimes you will need a screwdriver to take off the rest of the drain after the top comes off. But if you have the older kind, then you'll have to pop it out and probably go down under the sink to unscrew the little lever that holds the stopper in. But you've probably done that before if you have those kinds of sinks, because they get stopped up. So here was the result of this job, and the sink is draining very quickly now. So I hope that was helpful. There's a link to these at Amazon. If you need one today, you can probably pick it up at your local big box store. Thanks for watching.